Colorado Trailers wanted to show you guys another insulated windows trailer we have in stock and on the ground. This one is a 2019 Cargocraft 7x12. This one is in a matte bronze blackout package. You guys can see you do have the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom as well as up the V-nose, so you guys have some good rock protection. And I wanted to show you guys too, Cargocraft does a great job with their exterior running lights. You've got full exterior LEDs, couple up there. You even have one here on the side fender, so it's nice. You can really know right where the trailer is behind you at night. This one's stock number 14713. Weight of this unit is 1315, so it's a super lightweight unit and it's a great size for razors, UTVs, dirt bikes, or just work trailers. So this one again has an extended triple tube tongue. This triple tube tongue ties all the way back into the frame and the trailers pull really well. Cargocraft does a great job with their tongue and frame design. Side door does have an RV lock and a cam bar as well as an overhead gutter, so you've got double lock protection here. Here's a better shot of this matte bronze exterior. Again, you've got two windows with this unit and a 3,500 pound axle with a black diamond plate fender, black mod wheels, and 15-inch tires and wheels. So you guys are safe to run this trailer down the road at 75 miles an hour and not have to worry about having skinny little tires and a cheap axle underneath your trailer. You also have side vents and stabilizer jacks with this unit. That's what you guys can see right there. So normally these will tip and pivot when they're not hooked up to your vehicle because it just will pivot on that single axle, but you can fold those stabilizer jacks down and get that extra stability and not worry about that. Rear diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb, which is really cool. It matches the rest of the trailer. You also have a nice gutter over this rear ramp door. The ramp door does have spring assist close on it, so it's easy to open and close. I'll show you guys right now. Super simple. Just simply unlatch these. It's kind of hard with one hand, but it can be done. And I can open the ramp door with one arm, so you guys can see they're very easy and lightweight. This one does have a 7-foot interior height in it. You have insulated walls and ceiling with a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Two of the 18x44 slider windows with screens across from each other. They are tinted windows. They can lock, and you can open up the screens all the way as well if you want to just have a hole there. You also have an overhead Maxx Air roof vent that has a bubble cover over it so it won't leak water in on your toys inside. This one does have a painted plywood floor, plus you've got 4 heavy-duty D-rings recessed and ready to go, ready for tie-down points. So if you guys have UTVs, this is an ideal setup for this, the extra interior height and your D-rings and your insulation and your windows. You also have an interior LED light right there next to that side door, so that's a nice convenient location for that. Back side of the RV lock gives you guys that plate right there that you see on the door, which is a lock-a-latch and a set of keys. If it just has a cam bar, that interior piece is going to be missing and you have no way to close the door or lock it from the interior, so that RV lock is a really nice upgraded feature. Back side, in here, one of your side vents, the other one is up there in that top left corner, and that's what's going to give you guys that little bit of natural ventilation through the trailer. We do have about a 1,675 pound payload capacity, so again, plenty for toys and with a single axle, and we have this trailer on sale right now for $63.77 plus tax. And as always, you can call us by reach us by calling 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We have shipping options available for you guys, so if you don't live near us, that is okay. We can help you get your trailer, and again, give us a buzz. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state of Colorado, and again, 303-688-8485.